We are offering 4-week or 4-session course on AI skills. First week, we will discuss about AI foundations, prompting and tools, how effectively we prompt and what are the tools available. We'll be discussing about more than 15 tools. On second week, we will be discussing on content creation, that is text content, visual content in the sense of image generation and video generation. And many people use AI as a search engine. And we'll be discussing how AI can be used in deep research. Third session, we'll be covering AI for education, management, and productivity. How to make custom GPTs, cloud projects, and also data analytics. Final week, we'll be discussing on AI agents, ethics and limitations, and how to use AI for your industry and also country as a whole. You don't have to be a computer scientist to follow this course. Students, professionals, business owners, freelancers, and lifelong learners can participate in this course and become a master in AI. This course is not on AI history and theory, but practical application of AI tools and prompting, how to use these tools and prompts for your everyday life, education, research, business, and your creative work. Join our course and become the few people who can handle the AI properly for your life.